This video is brought to you by filming for the first time one of Caselif's games. This is NorthPark Plaza and it's lift tour time. Now to the first lift, which is a really nice Stef lift fifth generation. And now to the next, this is some more fifth generation Stef lifts. I'm not sure there might be a way to get into the service area. There's no way. This is staff only. Here's the other lift. But I'm not sure if I want to go into it. Yeah, I'm not gonna go in this. It's the same as the last lift. Now into the other set of lifts. Yeah, cause these are the same, but write it anyway. 9. Also, I haven't done the test of the alarm. Turn it off in time. Also, we just recently stopped at 4. And I'm the only person to be in this game. Just be by myself filming in here. Yeah, 5. Stop as well at 5. Also, there's observation. Oh god, I just got flanked by the lift. Here are 9. What's that 9? So scanning. Here's the observation. The observation that this is not enough. This floor is not really a word than the office floor. Here are 9. This is nothing much to see up here. Now let's get exploring the 9th floor of the NorthPark Plaza. Stef, if you're watching this, can you add me to the admins list so I can see the service list? I want to see how they really look like. Here are the chairs. Now here's the observation lift. This goes up only from 1 to 9. Now let's get back in the lifts. So that will be it for the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it.